guys, so I was just about to start my nighttime skincare routine, and I had been getting so many questions about what I'm doing differently to my skin, so I figured this would be the perfect time to share with you some new skincare that I'm using that is making a huge difference. And this is it right here, you guys. It's from Eva Naturals. And so I've been using their Rosehip seed oil, and I've also been using their Eva Naturals Hyaluronic Acid serum. They're made of the highest quality ingredients here in the United States, in Louisiana, and they do small batches, so they keep the quality super high. The ingredients that they use are just the highest quality ingredients. And guys, wait till I tell you, you're not gonna believe how much these products go for, because they're so reasonably priced. You literally cannot believe it. And then wait till I tell you guys, but not only are these such high quality, I mean, I would purchase these regardless of the price if you're a skincare addict like I am. But the price of these products is amazing. You literally will not believe it. So I have been using their Rosehip oil, and that's actually the Rosehip seed oil. It is phenomenal. It reduces scar. If you have scarring, stretch marks, you can put it on the scar or the stretch marks, and it helps to produce collagen. So it helps your skin to regenerate and to heal the scarring. And I have been using it on my stretch marks, on my scarring, and it totally has faded them. And I also love putting it on under my eyes. I do use it twice a day. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. But I put it under my eyes, and it totally erased the wrinkles under my eyes. I basically just put it all over to be honest, but I make sure and put extra on, like on my hips. I have some stretch marks, so I love putting it there. And then I also have been using their hyaluronic acid. It is so unbelievable. It's so moisturizing. It just soaks into your skin though. It actually absorbs completely into your skin, so you don't even feel any weight on your skin whatsoever. And they are both so reasonably priced, you cannot believe it, because the hyaluronic acid is about $12.95, I believe. And well, actually right now it's on sale, so it might usually be about $23. But I will link it below so you guys can check it out. It's definitely no more than, when it's regular price, it's no more than $20-something, and it is the most amazing quality, the highest quality ingredients hyaluronic acid that I've ever used, and it ranges, like I said, for about $23. It's crazy. And the Rosehip seed oil, I have paid so much in the past for different Rosehip seed oils, and this one normally is, I guess, about $23, though it's on sale right now. But this is definitely the best quality one that I've ever used, and it surpasses any of the other Rosehip seed oils that I've used that were so much more pricey. And it does range, like I was saying, it's about $23 and change, $23.95 I believe, but it is currently on sale and it's about $12. So anyway, I just figured I would show you guys how I use these products. They are so amazing. So the first thing I do after cleansing my skin for my skincare routine 2021 is I move in with the Eva Naturals products. So the first product that I like to use is the hyaluronic acid from Eva Naturals. So I just go ahead and take a few pumps into the palm of my hand. I just smooth it all over my face. I do like to put it under my eyes, on my neck, and I will also put it on my chest area. And it just feels instantly soothing. I also put any extra on the back of my hands. It just feels incredible. It just melts into your skin and feels like a dream. It definitely soothes those fine lines and wrinkles. And actually I'm gonna put a little bit more because it feels so good. My skin was getting pretty dry and it just feels so good. I just could literally drench myself in this product. So it melts in so quickly. It just feels amazing. I think that's one of the things I like best about it, but brightens, it just feels incredible. It's soothing. If you have irritated skin, there is chamomile in this product, so it just automatically feels soothing on your skin. It's just such a dream. Such a dream product. And then after that, I do like to move in with the Eva Naturals Rosehip seed oil. So this is already, the hyaluronic acid has pretty much already just dried right into my skin. So I just like to go ahead and take a few drops of this, and I just go ahead and take it on the dropper and put it on in my hand, the palm of my hand. And I like to just warm it up a bit by rubbing my hands together, and then I just press it into my skin. And again, I do put it down my neck and on my chest area. And like I was saying earlier, this product is amazing at if you have any stretch marks or scarring. And so I do have stretch marks on my thigh, so I go ahead and put some on my thigh. And I love, even on my lips, it just feels so good. And if you use this during the day, I do use this during the day. I use both these products during the day, but you can wear it under your makeup and it gives you the most gorgeous, dewy, natural makeup look. It has no scent to it, it's just natural scent. And so it is amazing. It just feels so good. This is, this is another product I'll just drench myself in it if I could. If I could, I would literally put this on my entire body because it's that amazing. But it is so reasonably priced. You could, you know, afford to put a little bit more like on your stretch marks, on your body. And it just, even in my eyes, because my eyes get irritated, it just feels incredible. And I do have very oily skin and very sensitive skin, so these products have never broken me out and they haven't irritated my skin whatsoever. And like I was saying, my skin is oily, but even still, it doesn't leave my skin feeling greasy though. So it hydrates, it nourishes, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy or oily. So it's really strange because it is an oil product, but it just doesn't leave your skin feeling oily, even under your makeup. I wear it under my makeup and it doesn't leave me feeling oily or anything like that. So it's such an amazing product, and that's why I couldn't wait to come and share it with you beauties. So Eva Naturals was good enough to partner with me today, and they did give me a promo code that I can share with you beauties. If you'd like to try Eva Naturals, or if you're already a customer and you love them as much as me, you can use the code AC15 and you'll get 15% off your Eva Natural orders. Plus they have so many wonderful sales going on, and already they're super reasonably priced, so you cannot go wrong. So I hope you guys can see a difference, but I just feel like my skin looks so plumped already, nourished. I feel like it's much more radiant, glowing. It definitely feels incredible. I love these products so much that I really truly couldn't wait to come share them with you dolls. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you've tried Eva Naturals, if you love them as much as I do. Again, I do have that discount code and that coupon if you want to take advantage. I'll have it linked below. But that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys are all doing good. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.